Hello everybody, welcome to Digital India with Ravindra Dastikop series. In today's session, I will be covering the topic of the 5G networks technologies. We all know that we are living in an online world, and the online world is possible only because there is an underlying networking world and computer world. The quality of our activities on the networks depend on two factors: the speed at which we can communicate and the amount of data that we can transfer. For instance, the quality of a classroom teaching on the online mode depends on the speed at which somebody can stream their data or video. Hence, the network speed becomes an important thing, and 5G network is up to the mark. It is expected to give us a great amount of speed in terms of communication and the quantity of data that can be transferred over the networks. Today's session has a very brief agenda as follows. Let me start with defining what is a 5G network. Thereafter, I will explain why do we need 5G network in today's world. Then the importance of 5G network in our online world today. And finally, a set of network technologies which are shaping this landscape of our communications today. What is the 5G network? The answer is very simple. 5G is the fifth generation of cellular network technology, which together with other network innovations will give us much faster and more stable wireless networking, as well as the ability to connect more and more devices, and finally enabling richer and more varied stream of data. The importance of 5G network. Networking technology is the backbone of our online society and a smarter world. As bandwidth and coverage have increased, more has become possible, from email to web browsing, location-based services, and streaming of video and games. We send a constant stream of real-time data back and forth between ourselves, the apps and devices we use, and cloud services which we power them. The 5G network will give us not only greater speeds but will also be able to cope with connecting far more devices within a geographical area. The need for 5G networks. Today, mobile users want faster data speeds and more reliable service. The next generation of wireless networks, 5G, promises to deliver that and much more. With 5G, users should be able to download a high definition film in less than a second, a task that could take up to 10 minutes on current 4G networks. And wireless engineers say that these networks will boost the development of other new technologies too, such as autonomous vehicles, virtual reality, and Internet of Things. The 5G network has already arrived. Many countries in the world, including India, are working towards implementing 5G network for its population. The 5G has arrived and companies and industry groups are working together to figure out exactly what it will be. But they all agree on one matter. As the number of mobile users and their demand for data rises, 5G must handle far more traffic at much higher speeds than the base stations that make up today's cellular networks. The 5G technologies. To achieve this vision of making networks speedier and faster downloads, wireless engineers are designing a suite of brand new technologies which constitute the 5G world. Together, these technologies will deliver data with less than a millisecond of delay compared to 70 milliseconds on today's 4G networks, and bring peak download speeds of 20 gigabytes per second compared to 1 gigabyte on 4G to users. Now that we have realized the need for and the importance of 5G network, let us look into a suite of technologies which are going to help us in realizing the 5G vision. The technologies include millimeter waves or waves, small cells, massive MIMO, beamforming, full duplex, and SDN. To understand how 5G will differ from today's 4G networks, it is helpful to walk through these 6 technologies and consider what each will mean for wireless users. 5G technology number 1 is called millimeter waves or waves. Millimeter waves are broadcast at a frequencies between 30 GHz and 300 GHz compared with the bands below 6 GHz used in current 4G. The new 5G networks will be able to transmit very large amounts of data but only a few blocks at a time. Although the 5G standards will offer the greatest benefits over these higher frequencies, it will also work in low frequencies as well as unlicensed frequencies that Wi-Fi currently uses without creating conflicts with existing Wi-Fi networks. For this reason, 5G networks will use small cells to complement the traditional cellular towers. The second technology within this 5G world is called small cells. Small cells are low powered portable base stations that can be placed throughout the cities. Carriers can install many small cells to form a dense multifaceted infrastructure. Small cells, low profile antennas make them unobtrusive, but their sheer numbers make them difficult to set up in rural areas. As 5G technology matures, consumers should expect to see ubiquitous 5G antennas even in their own homes. Massive MIMO is the third technology. MIMO stands for multiple input and multiple output. This technology enables base stations to support many more antennas than 4G base stations. With MIMO, both the source transmitter and the destination receiver have multiple antennas, thus maximizing efficiency and speed. MIMO also introduces inference, a drawback leading to the necessity of another technology called beamforming. The fourth technology is called beamforming. Beamforming is a 5G technology that finds the most efficient data delivery route to the individual users. Higher frequency antennas enable the steering of narrower transmission beams. This user specific beamforming allows transmission both vertically and horizontally. Beam direction can change several times per millisecond. Beamforming can help massive MIMO arrays make more efficient use of the spectrum around them. The fifth technology, full duplex, has another contribution to make towards 5G vision realization. Full duplex communication is a way to potentially double the speed of wireless communication. By employing a 5G full duplex scheme on a single channel, only one channel is needed to transmit data to and from the base station rather than two. A potential drawback of full duplex is that it can create signal interference. The last set of technologies which make up 5G is called software defined networks and network functions virtualization. SDN and NFV are considered the foundation for how 5G will be deployed. With the arrival of 5G networks, the way we are communicating, the way we are downloading data, the way we are streaming our data will change forever.